So the things that affect climate: geography, basically where you're located, latitude, distance from the equator, solar activity, volcanic activity, atmospheric circulation, and oceanic circulation. So you guys did a fantastic job, honestly, on interpreting what is the greenhouse effect and what are greenhouse gases.
You're welcome.
I'm going to go over each, the gases, what causes them, and then I'm going to cover the overall process of the greenhouse. A list of the greenhouse gases in no particular order, okay? CO2, methane, CFCs, or any kind of fluorocarbon, like you guys mentioned, ozone, nitrous oxides, and water. And here they are in their location in the atmosphere. Now, a lot of people missed water because it's kind of a tricky greenhouse gas. Water is actually a greenhouse gas that traps the most heat. But realistically, water is not always in our atmosphere because we know it only lasts a significantly minimal time in the atmosphere. So when it is, it traps like 100,000 times more heat than carbon dioxide would. I'm going to tell you that the two main gases of concern are carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide, why? Because ever since we started burning fossil fuels, we've released excessive amounts of carbon dioxide. Not to mention, in order to accommodate people on Earth, we've cut down a lot of trees, which reduce carbon dioxide. So it's kind of like a double whammy of why we have so much carbon dioxide. Methane is also another gas of concern because in order to meet the needs of food, we have a lot of cattle grazing, and cattle produces methane. So there's an excessive amount of methane, and methane traps more heat than carbon dioxide. Water vapor, number one heat trapper. Carbon dioxide, we call it the number one greenhouse gas. Okay, so those are two things you're going to have to know on the test.
Why'd you put a ring in the water?